In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred browser. This can be any browser you feel comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Next, type Hubstaff into your search bar and hit Enter. This should bring up the official Hubstaff website in your search results. Click on the link to head over to the site. Once you're on the Hubstaff homepage, look for the option that says Free 14-Day Trial. This is prominently displayed and easy to spot. It's literally your gateway to experiencing Hubstaff at no initial cost. Once you find it, go ahead and click. This is your starting point for an account setup that won't only cost you nothing for 2 weeks, but will also give you a feel for the full suite of features Hubstaff offers. Now that you've clicked on the trial option, it's time to create your account. The process is straightforward but essential. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your basic details: name, email, and a password of your choice. Make sure you choose a strong password, something you'll remember, but also one that's secure to protect your new account. After you've submitted your details, it's a good idea to head straight to your email inbox. Hubstaff will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. This email acts as a vital security measure to verify that you're the actual owner of this email address. Open the email and click on the link inside to confirm your account. This step is important, and if you don't see the email right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. Once your account is verified, you're going to be asked whether you're signing up as a business owner. Go ahead and select this option. Hubstaff is designed to accommodate various business needs, and by confirming that you're a business owner, you help tailor the experience to better suit your requirements. You'll then need to provide some additional information about your organization, such as its name, the size of your team, and the industry you operate in. This information helps customize Hubstaff even further to fit your business context. And just like that, you're ready to get started with Hubstaff. Remember that setting up your account is just the beginning. Explore the platform's rich features, including detailed time tracking, activity monitoring, and productivity insights, which are all designed to help improve the efficiency and success of your business. Enjoy your 14-day free trial and see firsthand how Hubstaff can streamline your operations. Happy tracking!